Here's the app called memoryOS. Improve memory skills, memorization, and focus training. Number one memory enhancement app. Most effective methods have made fun, structure, and expand your memory. Train with Grandmaster. Pre-made HD virtual mind palaces. Day one results while having fun. So gamified app is patented tech, making it easy for people to remember what's important, discover MOS, and become unforgettable. Upgrade your memory in just 5-10 minutes a day. Pretty cool app. 500,000 people using it, so it's growing in charts. Really great idea, actually, and I haven't seen a lot of competition in this space. So you can just open it up. Can then just see in here, and then you just need to get started. And then you can just set onboarding, and then you just can start using the app. It's kind of like a
Welcome to your
gamified
first Mind Palace.
experience. So yeah, try it out.